All right, so I'm sure you tried it, so we're back now, and you're going to tell me what you got, okay? But let's go ahead and do it and see if you can check your answer. So again, geometric mean, we set it up in this order, and we solve. So my first step, I'm sure you did this part, right? Is cross multiply. So we get x squared is equal to what? 12 times 20 is what? Well, 12 times 2 is what? 24. So just put a 0 on the end of that and you got 240, okay? Now what do? This is the part that you have to remember. I'm sure you remember now. After the last example, we are going to take the square root. So again, do I need the negative answer to this? Nope, I just need the positive one. So a quick tip for you. You can put this in the calculator, but sometimes we're going to need an exact answer. And your multiple choice problems are going to ask you to give an exact answer. So don't give a decimal approximation. So how do we simplify a radical? This is just a quick review on simplifying radicals. So the square root of 240, I want to break this down, hopefully into perfect squares. If I don't know any, then I will get there, I'm sure. So what are some factors of 240? Well, I know 24 times 10 for sure, because I have 24 in the number. 24 times 10 will give me 240. And then I can break this down again, okay? So 24 is going to be, can I find a perfect square in 24? 4 and 6. If you said 4 and 6, that sounds good to me. Can I break down 6 anymore? 2 times 3. Nope, no perfect squares in that, so that's all I can do. What about in 10? Can I break down 10? 5 and 2? Yep, that's all I can do is 5 and 2. So look what we have here. We have 5, that's a prime number, so I can't break that down anymore. I'll put that to the side over here. I have the square root of 4. What's the square root of 4? It's 2. You're right, it's 2. So then the square root of 4 is 2. I took that square root. Done with that. The square root of 6 is 2 and 3. Now, here is the problem. I have a 2 in here and a 2 right here. So that means I'm going to bring those together to get what? The square root of 4. Okay? So 2 and 2 is the square root of 4. This gets kind of messy, doesn't it? So I got the square root of 4. The square root of 3, the square root of 5, and 2. Let's simplify this one more time and we'll be done. So I'll have 2 times, remember all of these are multiplication. 2 times, what's the square root of 4? 2. The square root of 3. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, so I'll bring those together. So 4 radical 15 is my simplified answer. Again, what is my geometric mean? It is 4 radical 15. Now, this can be a lot easier if you can think of a perfect square in the number. That will make your life a whole lot easier. So take a minute and see if you can remember or come up with a perfect square or the largest perfect square in this number. And that will help you save a little bit of time. What could that be? Tell me in class. Maybe I'll give you some extra credit.